Hello viewers, hello followers. Mainly today we are going to see what the GC wrote in 2025. Short, we are going to solve the question that came in 2025 under sets. So now, if I told you are new to this channel, consider yourself to subscribe because actually you are going to be missing out the things that I'll be posting. So now, without wasting your time, let us dive into this beautiful question. We are saying that at Kalima Farming Community, 33 farmers planted sorghum and 25 planted groundnuts, 38 planted maize, and 15 planted both sorghum and groundnut, 14 planted both sorghum and maize, and 13 planted both groundnuts and maize. 6 farmers planted all the 3 types of crops. So now the question is saying that we illustrate this information on a Venn diagram. Illustrate this information on a Venn diagram. What is a Venn diagram? A Venn diagram is here. We have been given this Venn diagram. We are saying that we enter this that we have been taught into this Venn diagram. So I emphasize when lighting set, you start. By the way, let me give an example of this that we are doing all the 3 types of crops. You start by the number which is on the middle. So in this case, we have been given to say 6 farmers planted all the 3 types of crops. So now in this case, we are going to actually impart 6 on the center. In other words, we light 6 on the middle side, showing to say these 6 we are doing all the 3 types of crops. So now I emphasize again, after this you're supposed to go to those that we are doing the 2 plants. In this case, we are saying those that we are planting 2 types of crops. So now in this case, the question is saying that those that we are planting 2 types of crops, there's 14 here. So 14 leads, 14 planted both sorghum and maize. And if you go to the Venn diagram, where is sorghum and maize? Sorghum and maize is here. So now, having given this information, we know that 6 they are doing all the 3 crops. Now, since we have been given 14, we are going to subtract 14 from 6. It's going to give us what? It's going to give us 8. So 8. Again, we go to the second one. We are saying that 13 planted both groundnuts and maize. Where's groundnuts and maize? So 13 planted both groundnuts and maize. So now maize is here. We subtract again from that 13. It's going to give us what? It's going to give us 7. We go to the third one. We are saying that 15 planted both sorghum and groundnuts. What's 15? 15 sorghum and what? Sorghum and groundnuts. So now again we are going to subtract from this same 6. It's going to give us what? It's going to give us 9. So now, having this kind of information, again we are going to go back. We are saying that in this Kamulima farming community, we have got 33 farmers. 33 farmers. 33. We are doing what? We are doing sorghum sorghum. So these farmers were 33. So now we are going to add the farmers that are in sorghum, then we subtract from the total numbers that we are doing sorghum. So now in this case, if we add this 9 plus 6 and that sum plus 8 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 23. Then if at all we subtract 23 from 33, it's going to give us what? It's going to give us 10. Meaning 10 were the people who are doing sorghum only without doing or planting other crops. So we go to groundnuts. No, we go to groundnuts. Yes. So those that were doing groundnuts, we are saying that they were what? They were 25. So now 25, again the same procedure. We are going to add 9 plus 6 plus 7 is going to give us what? We are saying that 9 plus 6 plus 7 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 22. Then if we subtract 22 from 25, we are going to remain with how many? We are going to remain with 3 farmers. Those that were doing groundnuts only. We move from groundnuts, we go to maize. Those that were doing maize, we are saying that there were 38. The same procedures, we are going to add 7 plus 6 plus 8. It's going to give us what? 7. We are saying that 7 plus 6 plus 7 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 21. Then if we subtract 21 from 38, we are saying minus 38. We are going to remain with what? We are going to remain with 17. We have just illustrated this information in the Venn diagram. We go to the other section. We are saying that how many farmers were in this community altogether? How many farmers were in this community altogether? So in finding out the numbers or the farmers who were in this community, we are supposed to add the sum of all these farmers in the Venn diagram. So now in this case, we are going to add 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 10 plus 8 plus 17. It's going to give us what? We are saying that 17 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 3 plus 10 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 60. So we are saying that those farmers who are planting in that community, there were how many? So we are saying that A is equal to what? 60 what? 60 farmers. We go to the other section. We are saying that how many farmers planted one type of crops only? Those that planted one type of crops only. We are going to sum up these 3, 10, and 17 for us to find out those that were doing one crops only. So meaning these that are appearing in this, it means these were doing one crops only. Then this, it means they were doing 2 types of crops only. So let us add these things. We find out those that were doing one type of crop. So we are saying that we add 17 plus 3 plus what? Plus 10 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 10. So we are saying that B is equal to what? B is equal to 30 what? 30 farmers. 30 farmers. Again, we go to the third question. We are saying that how many farmers planted two types of what? Two types of crops. Two types of crops. I'm just from explaining on this. We are saying that these that are appearing on this session, it means we are doing two types of what? Two types of crops only. So we are saying that what? See, we are going to do what? We are going to add these that are appearing in this. So in this case, we are going to add 7 plus 9 plus 8. We are saying that 7 plus 9 plus what? Plus 8 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 21. So now we are saying that C is equal to what? C is equal to 21. 21 what? 21 farmers. So having solved this question, we are saying that we have scored about how many? We have scored about 5 what? 5 marks just on solving this set. So now I'm going to just pause this video and then I connect this set with a certain video. I hope you are going to like this video. Okay, we are saying that this is the third question. This is number 11 in this same paper. So now the question reads, in the diagram, the point T and R lie on the equator, while P and Q are on the what? On the latitude. Now 4 degrees north, take pi as equal to 3.142 and R equal to 6370 kilometers. Know that this number is constant when it is in kilometer. With or without you being given this number, just know that it is constant. Don't supposed to start rushing to say or panicking saying, am I going to use the formula that I want to use, provided they have not given me this error. So now in this case, without wasting time, I want you to have a knowledge of earth geometry. So now let us solve this earth geometry. We are saying that we find the difference in longitude between point T and point R. So now where is point R? Point T is here and point R is here. So now I emphasize on when solving these things, you are supposed to first find the coordinates. And how do you find the coordinates? I'm going to teach you the basics of earth geometry. So how do you get to find the coordinates? So the coordinates, you start from the what? From the latitude. You start from the latitude. In the latitude, what number are you able to see? We are able to see 0. So meaning at first T, the coordinates of T, we are saying that on the latitude it's 0. Then what of in the longitude? T is where? T is here. On the longitude we are saying that we are saying that it's what? 130. We go back, we are saying that here it's what? 130. Again, same implies to what? To R. In the latitude you have got what? We have got 0. Here we are going to put what? We are going to put 0. In the longitude we have got what? Longitude we have got 50, as you can see. So now in this case we are going to put what? Going to put 50. 50. We have just done the things that we are supposed to do. So now, since they are saying that we find the different in longitude, we are going to, since these things they are having what? They are having different what? Different sign. Here we have got width, and here we have got east. So now in this case we are going to add them. If at all they were having the same, let me just say letters in order for you not to be confused. If at all they were having letters, take for instance, if this west was W, it means you are supposed to subtract them. Now, since they're having different, in this case, we are going to add them. Now, if you add this 130 plus 50, it's going to give you what? It's going to give you 80. So we are saying that T and what? And R, they have got the difference in longitude, which is what? Which is equal to what? Which is equal to 180 degrees. It means we have solved what? We have solved number 1. Then again the question reads, find the distance along the latitude where 40 north in kilometers. So now let me just show you this formula in finding the distance. We are saying that the distance PQ, since it's in the latitude, you are going to use this formula. We are going to use theta over what? Over 360 times 2 pi r cos slat. You can use this formula. So now we are going to substitute them. First of all, again, let me just find the coordinates. Without wasting time. So we are saying that the coordinates of PQ, which is the distance that we have been told to calculate, is equal to here the coordinates. So now we set same sign, they cancel each other, and then different, they add up each other. So in this case we have got the common the different in what? The different in latitude, which is what? 180 degrees. So now theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to 180 multiplied by 2. What is our pi? We have been given to say it's 3, that's 2 times r, which is what? Which is 6370 times what? Times cos what? Cos 40. I've been given for 40 here, so we are going to say cos 40. Yeah, so mainly here are the things just from talking about. So now in this case, guys, we know this is paper 2. Calculators are allowed. I want you to punch this on the calculator. You confirm with me the numbers that you are going to find, because you can make mistakes in calculating, but you're going to confirm with me if we are going to find the same digits. But here are the numbers you can calculate. Enter into your calculator, guys. So my answer is equal to 1533, and then 2.02715. We are going to round these things off. We are saying 15,332 If you want, you can just leave it at this point, kilometers. So this is the distance of PQ. Let us go to the other question. We are saying that the question reads, calculate the what? Okay. Calculate the circumference of the circle of a latitude 40 in north in kilometers. So now this is simple. We are going to follow the same procedure. So we are saying that the distance of the latitude of forward 40. Where's 40? We are going to go to where there is 40. Okay, on the latitude. So now in this case, we are just going to pick this. So this is our formula that we are going to use. This is our formula that we are going to use to find the circumference of the circle. So without wasting your time, let us find this circumference. So we are saying that circumference, the circumference that we have been told, is equal to 2 pi r cos slat. Saying that pi is equal to, it has been given saying pi should be this. Then r, we are saying that is equal to this. Then cos, we have been given to say should be 40. So if you multiply this, you can help me in terms of multiplying so that we work together. Okay, so my distance is equal to, okay, we round these things off. It's going to give us what? It's going to give us this. We are saying that it should be in kilometers. It should be in kilometers. So this is our circumference. Having this movie or video, if this video has helped you, please, I'll repeat these things. Consider yourself to subscribe, because I'll be posting out the subject I just talked about when I was starting the video. Mainly this YouTube channel, I will just be dealing with physics, chemistry, and mathematics. And if you have got any question in any of these topics, you can try to contact me. You can use this number in terms of asking question. You can just ask on WhatsApp. I always be available. On WhatsApp, you just say, no, I didn't understand that question. Please don't hesitate. I am here for you to be helped. Thank you.